Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. So Thanksgiving is over and we ate a ton for a bunch of days in a row. So this week I got all of our groceries for the week. You know, I like to keep it around $200. So it's a little over this week because I got a bunch of other stuff besides our breakfast, lunch, and dinners. We're going to be doing a cocktail contest with some family this weekend. So I got all of these ingredients for a really awesome cocktail. I hope that mine is the best one because there is a prize. So I'll show you all the ingredients I got. I had to get some other things, shampoo and soap and all that kind of stuff too. So my grocery pickup was at $203 for this week. So I'm going to show you everything we got. I hope that you had a really great Thanksgiving. It was so wonderful spending time with family and eating tons and tons of food. So I'm going to show you what we got this week. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I do my grocery haul videos and my weekly meal plan every Tuesday. I share with you what we're having and I map out our meals and share that with you. So if you need some meal planning motivation, make sure you click subscribe. All right, here's our groceries for the week. All right, so picked up everything from Walmart, and I love that I just order everything on the app. It makes it so easy for me. But I will start over here on what we've got so far. I have 2 packs of sandwich thins, these little 100-calorie little breads, and they're really great for burgers, sandwiches, all kinds of things. So 2 packs of those. I got a tri-tip this week. We're going to do tri-tip and artichoke for dinner. And got our gallon of milk. We do a gallon of milk each week. I needed some butter because we were out. Some red raspberry preserve. So it's just like jelly, but this one's really good. The Smucker's brand. Some black pepper, and I get this one that's in the grinder. It is really good. So we like this one. It lasts a really long time too. So here's my ingredients, some of my ingredients for the cocktail contest that we're doing with our family this weekend. So it is going to be a Moscow Mule type. So I have my ginger beer. It's going to have Fireball in it, Fireball cinnamon whiskey. And it has salted caramel apple cider. This is going to be delicious. It's going to have some vodka also and a cinnamon stick. But I got this, a friend of mine posted a picture of a cocktail that she made, and she added this edible sparkle. So it's gold edible sparkle dust, and it just made the cocktail shiny and sparkly and really cool and festive. So you can put this in drinks. They show it here on a cupcake, and I've had it on cookies before, like frosted sugar cookies. And so this is gonna be really fun. So it's gonna make the cocktail nice and sparkly. So like I said, it's a competition, so I hope that it tastes good. I have actually not made it, so I just found the recipe on Pinterest, but I'm gonna give it a shot and I hope it's delicious. Hope that we win. So those are those ingredients. I got a big pack of ground turkey. I make a ton of taco meat and I portion out and freeze it. We do tacos all the time, like about once a week. So usually have lots of taco meat ready to go. So 2 packets of taco seasoning to go with that. Some canned corn and canned black beans. Always have to make sure we have plenty in the pantry of that. Some green tea. My husband and I, we don't drink coffee, but we definitely drink plenty of tea. So got a big box of green tea. 4 things of macaroni and cheese. I just get the Great Value brand. My kids like it just as much as like Kraft macaroni and cheese. Well, they haven't had Kraft in a while because I've been getting this one for quite a long time, and it's so cheap. It's 62 cents, I think, or 64 cents. So crazy cheap. I got some vanilla Greek yogurt, also Great Value brand. I got a bunch of limes to go with the cocktail because a regular Moscow Mule is limes. So I thought if the one with all these other ingredients didn't taste so great, we could just drink regular Moscow Mules. Here are the artichokes that we're going to have for dinner with the tri-tip. Avocados we get every week. They have been really delicious lately. So I got 5 avocados, should last us the week. Some bananas. A big huge bag of apples, and I started getting recently the Pink Lady apples, and they are really, really good. I was getting the Fuji ones before, but these ones are so much better. So a big bag of Pink Lady apples. This electrolyte drink enhancer mix is my favorite. This is the mixed berry flavor, but it has all these B vitamins in it, and it's really great to stay hydrated and makes the water taste delicious. So I can drink tons and tons of water. Sugar-free syrup. My kids love this one. They don't like the regular syrup, so I always make sure we have plenty of this. Almond milk for the week. I got my kids some pancake on a stick, so it's pancake and sausage, and I used to get these for them all the time, but it's been a while, and we're going on a little road trip, so I thought that and we're leaving really, really early, so I thought that this would be good to have in the car, so I can heat them up and then throw the kids in the car. When they wake up, they can have a pancake and sausage on a stick. I got some frozen strawberries for smoothies. Some more snack stuff for our road trip. I got jerky, walnuts, and pistachios. I like to I call it a snackle box, but I have these boxes with little containers, little sections, and I add a bunch of snacks. So I'm going to be making a snackle box, and I'll make a video of that and share it with you also, but really fun for road trips. And so got these also for a trip, and I got them a couple weeks ago. My mom and I went on a trip and we flew, and we left very, very early in the morning. So I heated these up in the air fryer and then just packed them with us, and they were really good. I wrapped them in foil so they stayed hot. Turkey sausage burrito, 17 grams of protein. So it has turkey sausage, egg, cheese, and they were really good, very tasty. 2 packs of eggs for the week. I get 2 18 packs of eggs, and we always go through them all. If you've been around my channel, you know I get this collagen about every other week. I put it in my tea, and it is tasteless, and it is just really good for skin, hair, nails, and just really good to add into teas, smoothies, whatever you're drinking. I got some Vicks vaporizing rub because it's that time of year. Some shampoo and conditioner, and also some body wash. So I love that I can pick up everything that we need at Walmart, the food, and anything else like shampoo and conditioner. So this is the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you had a good Thanksgiving last week, and I don't have our meal plan written out for the week this week because things have just been super hectic. But next week, I will share with you our written down meal plan as well, because I share with you my grocery haul every Tuesday. So make sure you check back next week, and make sure you check back on all my other videos coming up. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.